Rere Ministry ya Githomo irongoreirie kuruguria mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa 2663 hari mathukuru mothe kiambiririni kia mwaka turorete. Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i niahinyiririe ati mutaratara ucio ni uguthi na mbere ta urio tanyitwo.
I don't know whether you guys get this. The lives of our children are not waiting for us. The world is not waiting for us. We are competing against the world. Go down here to Rwanda and see what they're trying to do. Look across the board. Look at the new innovations going on in Egypt and how they are reforming their curriculum. Those are the people we are competing against.
Meria Matiang'i yokiterere mihiga na ire mithia nyingi ciambiririe kwiyumiria kuri ikundi imwe ikoretwo ikiregana na mutaratara ucio.
Start today.
Kimwe gia ikundi ici ni kiama kia arutani NAT kuria mwandiki munene wake Wilson Sossion eyumiritie na akaregana na mutaratara ucio muingi-ini.
Anything that we have not negotiated, and I'm saying in broad daylight, we shall reject through organized action.
No Matiang'i nierumite kinina akauga mutaratara ucio no nginyagia wambiririe akiuga aria mararegana naguo ni ihinda marateanga.
We just have to be serious about the things we do. This nonsense that we have acquired in society where we go for seminars, go for benchmarking trips and so on and so forth, silly things where we waste money on things that we can actually discuss around the table. We can get researchers, we have Kenyans who have studied these things, we go out there, we call in experts, we have a conversation, we can have consultations for a whole week, 2 weeks, 3 months, and then we start getting into planes and flying all around the world. We go to India, to Korea, to wherever, in what we describe as benchmarking things. You know, that's how we waste money. That is how we have underdeveloped ourselves. We have insisted on things that don't help us. We will be straightforward and do the work we are supposed to do.
Niatithirithitie ati muroto munene wa thirikari ni kugacirithia githomo guku bururi-ini akiuga aria othe makaingira form 1 ni makaheo mafuku ni thirikari.
I'm grateful that this is happening. I have seen some of the form 1 books. I'm very excited. I have seen the thousands of the form 1 textbooks that are ready, and my joy will be on 9th in the morning when every form 1 child reports to school. They sign in and they get 6 textbooks of the core subjects each, and they go to class to study, so that we avoid situations like the ones we have seen in schools before with my brother Kipsang here, where we turn up and we find a teacher in class, he has got a copy and one student has a copy. And that's a school where we have been sending money to every year to buy books.
Matiang'i ekwaragia kiruguri-ini kia mafuku mithemba itatu ya kamusi gikaro-ini kinene gia acabithia mafuku kia Kenya Literature Bureau guku Nairobi. Ona thengia gia ihingica nyingi kuhana kaici kwiyumiria hari uthii wa nambere wa mutaratara mweru wa githomo mwaka turorete. Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i niahinyiriria ati mutaratara ucio ni uguthi na mbere andu matekwenda kana mekwenda. Girifotira Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwihaki wa Kamau.